Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme NEET Master. Here I am with the new video. So we were discussing about phylum. We are discussing about animal kingdom. In that we will discuss about phylum porifera. See in general, porifera. Pori means pore. These are pore bearing animals. Entire body is covered by pores. See here. These are pore bearers. Body is covered by pores. So habitat, where they live. They are generally in aquatic. They are aquatic. They are aquatic. Their presence in both mostly marine, and very few are freshwater. Few are freshwater. And level of organization, cellular level. What is cellular level? So I explained all cellular level, tissue level, organ level in my previous video. You can go through it once, right? It shows cellular level of organization. Cells are aggregated to form all the body functions like respiration, digestion, excretion. Everything is done by cells in the body. Germ layers are absent because the body is made up of only cells. No ectoderm, no endoderm, no mesoderm. So phylum is also absent in the poriferans. So here, symmetry, mostly these are asymmetrical. Mostly asymmetrical means poriferans body is irregular in shape. We can't cut into two equal halves. So they are called asymmetrical. Notochord is absent because these are primitive animals. No notochord, no vertebral column, and segmentation is also absent in the poriferans or sponges. These are generally called sponges. Water canal system, an important topic. We'll discuss this one in clearly. We'll discuss now. We'll discuss water canal system. So I hope you should draw a diagram with me so that you'll get conceptual clarity. This is porifera. The pores, these are pores. The pores is covered by whole body, and these are called ostia, and it is called osculum, and center cavity. This cavity is called spongiocele. See here, water enters to the minute pores called ostia. Water enters into the spongiocele through the minute pores, and generally poriferans are present in the water. This is water, and this water enter into the body or into the spongiocele through the ostia. And inside the spongiocele, they consist of cells. So generally, shape is like this. These are called collar cells. These are called collar cells or choanocytes. Choanocytes are collar cells present inside the wall of spongiocele. Inside the spongiocele is a water canal system. See here, water canal system. Water canal system. Here, ostia, from where water enters into the body. Then spongiocele. Central cavity is called spongiocele, and water goes out through osculum. Osculum. Here, ostia, can I call it as mouth? Because water enters into the mouth or ostia from the spores which are present on the body. And osculum, can I call it as anus? because where water goes out of the body. See here, what is the function of spongiocele? Spongiocele will do respiration, excretion, digestion, and reproduction. I mean all the physiological functions. All the physiological functions in the poriferan body is done by spongiocele, which is present in the center. Then and coil, these are collar cells or coinocytes having flagella in their body. Generally, water enters to the ostia from the enters into the body through ostia. Here spongiocele, the water will be moving in the spongiocele in all the directions, so that inside the water the nutrients oxygen is present, those were absorbed by the spongiocele, and body growth metabolism will take place. After that, the production of carbon dioxide and elimination of excretory waste through the osculum. Then listen here, water entering, respiration, excretion, digestion will be taking place in the spongiocele, that is nothing but water, and the elimination of waste or carbon dioxide through osculum. This is the physiological mechanism of phylum porifera. See now, what about development? First one, development. Reproduction, both sexual and asexual. The phylum porifera shows sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Asexual is by budding or fragmentation. Any part of the phylum porifera, if it's cut, that cut part will develop into a new poriferans. Sexual by production of gametes. But sexual reproduction will take place in the coinocytes or collar cells. So the coinocytes, collar cells having, these are bisexual or sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. Another name is called monoecious. The three words which indicates or which denotes the sexual reproduction of in the phylum porifera. So your coinocytes or collar cells, inside this the sexual reproduction will take place, and by asexual reproduction through fragmentation. And now digestion. Development is indirect. Means here the larval stage exists. The larval stage is which is morphologically different from the adult. So that is called indirect development. Next one, we'll discuss about fertilization. Fertilization. Fertilization inside the body. Inside the body. The fertilization will take place inside the body. One more important term is digestion, which is mentioned in your NCRT, that is intracellular. Intracellular means here digestion will take place inside the cell. The contents are going inside the cell, the digestion will take place inside the cell. We are extracellular, means the cells will release some enzymes outside the cell, our body digestion will take place. But in the case of poriferans, the cells, the food or the contents will go inside the cell, the digestion is taking place inside the cell. So they are called intracellular. And remaining all, I mean breathing and excretion and reproduction through water canal system. Through water canal system, right? All these taking place through the water canal system. Now we are discussing about physiology of an phylum porifera. Digestion is intracellular. I mean to say digestion will take place inside the cell, and respiration, circulation, excretion is absent. It is taking through general body surface. In all the primitive animals, the respiration, digestion, excretion will take place through the general body surface. That is nothing but diffusion. There is nothing but diffusion. Listen, next, The body of porifera or a phylum sponges is supported by spicules or a spongine fibers which is made up of calcareous and silicons. See, our body is made up of bones, right? We'll get support from the bones. In case of sponges, the body will be supported by spongin fibers. Examples: Sycon is Scypha and Spongilla, freshwater sponge, and Euspongia, these are bath sponge. This diagram which is shown in our NCRT, Sycon and Euspongia. See, in overall, when we are discussing about phylum porifera, these are asymmetrical and these are found in the aquatic. Mostly they found in the marine water. Very few are in fresh water. What about they show cellular level of body organization, and these are, I mean, ectoderm, endoderm is absent, germ layers are absent, coelom is absent, notochord is absent, segmentation is absent, body forms are absent because the shape is irregular. So there is no symmetry, no body form. And reproduction is both sexual and asexual. Sexual through fusion of gametes. That's called, these are mostly bisexual and monoecious, and sexes are in the same body. So the archaeocyte is a cell which takes place in the, which helps in the sexual reproduction. Next one, development is indirect because the phylum porifera has larval stages which is different or morphologically different from the adult. Fertilization internal. And what about next? Water canal system, where water enters in the body through ostia and to the central cavity spongocyl. The water consists of oxygen, nutrients, food, and it is absorbed by the body and eliminate the urea and carbon dioxide through ossiculum. So this is the overall the mechanism or the characters or features of the phylum porifera. Thank you for watching my video. If you please like it, like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Suchith signing off. Thank you.